So guys, link is provided in the description. Just go ahead, and after that you will get this zip file. Now just simply right click on it and extract to Windows, make Windows 10 look like Mac OS. So just expand it, extract it, and then simply open it. Now here's some few setups we need to do. The first setup is Ultra UX theme patcher. Just go ahead and just double tap on it. User account control will appear. Just click on yes and simply install it. Click on next, I accept, next, and I agree, and then just do it, install. So now as you can see, it's making system restore point as well. I'll show you later how to restore your PC. Right now we need to reboot our PC. I'm not rebooting right now because I need to apply all the settings and then I'll reboot my PC. But in your case you can reboot it, it's more better. So just I'm going with I want to manually reboot later. Just click on finish. And now let's go on the old new Explorer. Just open it. You can also read this, it will show you how actually you need to perform all the action at the same time. Like now for example, note that old new Explorer can load other types of resource loaded by direct UL, for example twinul.del, etc, etc. So simply you need to read all the descriptions how actually it's work. And what we need to do is simply, you can see here, we need to copy this folder into the C drive. Okay, so simply we are just copying it from here. So the complete folder we need to copy and then go into the C drive and paste it here. Once you're done, just right click on it, rename, and then remove the back counting, and then double click on it, and this time you need to just right click here, run as administrator, and then click on yes. Now as you can see, it's showing you here some options. Now it's on you how actually you want to set it up. For example, this is the appearance, use command bar instead of ribbons. So no, we will go with the command bar. Enable glass on and navigation bar, yes, absolutely. Use alternative navigation button style, show detail panel. So check these both options and then click on install. After this, just close it. Now just go back, and now we need to go back again into the folder. Now Mac OS for Windows 10. So this is the theme guys. Just copy it, go into the C drive, Windows. Now here you need to find the resource folder, go into the theme and paste it here. Click on continue, and that's it. Now go back. Now this time 70 sp underscore GUI. Now simply you need to do is you can see here we have two modes. First of all, we will open it, click on yes, and as you can see I have read the agreement, so you can read first and then click on yes. And now we need to install add a custom pack. So we need to paste here a custom pack. Now it's on you what you like actually, the dark mode or light mode, it's on you. Just extract both, extract here, not wall, rename all, yes to all, just do it. Now simply click on add, and this time you need to go into the download folder, compressor, and go into the same folder. And this time you can see here we have both options, so you can also select a zip file, might be its work. In case if it's work, then simply add it and then start patching. Also just click on start patching and then click on continue. Now you can see new restore point has been created here, so don't worry about it. It's automatically creating your restore point for you, so you can easily restore the preview version if you don't like. So as you can see, please reboot Windows 7 for the changes to take full effect. So now it's on you again. You want to reboot your PC right now or later. If you want to do later, then click on no. Okay, we will restart manually later. Now again go here, and this time we need to go again into the download folder, the same path, and this time we need to go here in the rain meter. Just go there and install the rain meter. Run as administrator, click on yes. Okay, now portable installation or standard, go with the standard that is recommended. Next, install 64-bit version, launch rain meter startup, yes, definitely. Now just launch it. Now just unload these options. It's just annoying. Just unload these options, and now what you need to do is, these are the skins pack actually. You can see here it's look like this. So we need to load these skins. Just install one by one, and you can see all the settings has selected here. Install it. You can install also if you want this one. Okay, now just right click here, and here you need to go into the just open it, and then you need to refresh it. Now you can see here, you will get here. Now you need to launch the gallery. Go into the gallery, then just go here. You can see it has launched the gallery. You can just launch all the gallery first. Here is some extra things, short ops, welcome. Okay, this is the welcome, apply theme. Now just close this one, and you can see now it's on you which actually theme pack you want, the layout. This is more better. You will get here the time clock, and with this you will not get the time clock, so I'm going with this, just like this one, and you can see here. That's it. Now just close it, and you can just adjust these settings here according to your resolution. Like this, and then here like this. Okay, after that, now go back. This time we need to install the mouse pack, and just click here on the install, open it. Sorry, my bad, just right click on it, and you can see here install. Just install it. Now this process is pretty simple. Just click on the Windows icon and then type here the mouse. Go into the mouse settings, and now you can see here open additional mouse options. Now go into the pointer and select here the big circle. Hit apply. Use default, and then sorry, my bad. Just go here, hit apply. Okay, that's it. Now close it. You will get a mouse. Just move it on up and move these things down. Like this, and this you can also, I think, change. Okay, you cannot change it. Just like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, my bad, just close these options again. Now everything is working fine, only we need to do a last step. Go again into the download folder, and here is the rock dock. Simply install it, click on yes. This is the preview. Next, and install into the C drive. Clear shortcut on desktop if you like, then click on next and click on finish. Now after finishing, you need to go into the C drive program files, and here you need to find your star dock, and we need to find it here. Rocketdock. Okay, here is it. Just double tap on it and it will launch here automatically. You can see now these icons are not like satisfaction is not with these icons, so you can also change the okay, let's do it further. Right click here, and then you can see here add items, deletes, and go into the settings. Now icon pack is here. These are the icon packs and everything is here. Into the style, you can see here all the styles are available. Just select any style that actually you want. We have some extra things here. Go into the compressor, Rocketdock. Now these things, here is the Mac icons, so just copy all these Mac icons and go again into this PC, go into the C drive, program files, Rocketdock, and here we need to go into the icons. Just delete all these and paste here your own icons. That's it. Now the last thing we need to do here, rounded, these are the actually settings. If you want, these are the themes. You can also read here, paste the big sur clear, big sur night, rounded clear, etc into the skin pack, Rocketdock skins, C drive program files, 86 Rocketdock skins. So simply you need to copy all these file folders and then just close it, go into the C drive, and then here you need to go here, Rocketdock, and here is the skin. Now you can also delete these skins if you don't like. Now paste your own skins here. Here are old skins. Now simply go here, go into the settings. Now you need to go into the theme section and just select your own. I think this one is better. Now we need to set the position on the bottom, always on bottom. Okay, go again into the settings. So here is the bottom. Now you can see here. Now we need to restart our PC first, and then we will change our logos of the Rocketdock. So simply I'm stopping here my recording right now.